Just the chicken plow. You tell me what else is on the menu, please, sir, for today.
This digital multimeter. For no reason. Holy corroded batteries, Batman. This meter's been sitting, rusting for several years. I wonder what it looks like on the inside. Maybe I can use it. This thing was bought at Walmart for like $10 or something like that. You never have too many multimeters, especially when you keep breaking them. It's not coming open. But I took out all the screws. I don't know if I smell what they're stepping in, dog. Yep, that's a multimeter, alright. It's pretty unremarkable. It boasts this thing called non-contact voltage, and it has a little arrow pointed here, but it's just an LED. Let's see, it has a light button and a light button. Anyway, one of those runs that LED. So that's not the voltage detection. So what the hell does it use for voltage detection? Here we have the word ant. See? But it's written backwards. Well, why they write it backwards? Everything else isn't written backwards. What's on this word? Cool switch. That's a lot of contacts on that little switch. So I thought it was going to have a cheaper looking backlight than that. This one kind of spreads the light out evenly. But they made up for it. Look. A little epoxy blob. Aha! It's the antenna. And that is how it detects non-contact voltage. And it's on the opposite side of the board from the backwards word ant. Fitting. Well, it's not corroded to shit. I guess I'll put it back together. But that's kind of boring. Nobody wants to see it get put back together. It's not auto-ranging. It has this goofy little battery test thing. Well, why in the world do you need different battery testing settings on a digital multimeter? It'll do amps. 20 milliamps is as low as it'll go. This meter's pretty useless, honestly. It's pretty fucking useless. I don't know. It might be useless. We got a nice little tape hiss. And, you know, tay is my favorite kind of piss.